Dear students, I'm going to tell you how to prepare the project report chapter content. Chapter 1, this one, chapter 1, an introduction is Times New Roman, font size 16. The title of each and every chapter should be Times New Roman style, font size is 16. Then check the text information. You can check the text information is Times New Roman, font size 13. And see the alignment on either side should be justified. It must be justified. The text alignment on either side should be justified. Like that, chapter 1 will go. Come to chapter 2. Again, chapter 2 literature survey is font size 16, Times New Roman, bold. When you come to subdivision 2.1, subdivision 2.1 must be bold. It must be in caps. It should be in caps, bold, 13, Times New Roman, and alignment is justified. See the author details below that. It must be also justified, but size is, font size is 12, Times New Roman. And as usual, regular text is Times New Roman 13. It must be aligned on both the sides. Similarly for 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. Come to chapter 3, scope and objectives of the project. Again, font size is 16, bold, Times New Roman. See the subdivision. Subdivision is bold, Times New Roman, 13, uppercase. Similarly, 3.2, uppercase, bold, Times New Roman, 13. Coming to the block diagram. The block diagram of the project must be, the figure must be a single image file. It should not contain more than one component in this image. So it is image. This figure should be a single image. See it is center aligned. And see the figure number. It must be FIG 3.1. Block diagram of the project. It should be Times New Roman 13. Figure number 3.1, block diagram of the project. It is also center aligned. Chapter 4, hardware details of the project. You can see the figure number. Fourth chapter, first figure, FIG 4.1, Raspberry Pi Pi, and it is center. The figure is center aligned. The figure number and name is also center aligned. And see the figure. See the figure is occupying only 70% of the page width. Figure 4.2, models of Raspberry Pi. Figure is center aligned. Figure number and name is also center aligned. Subdivision 4.2, actually it must be 13. It should be 13, uppercase, bold. Third figure, figure 4.3, hardware specifications of PI, again Roman letter, Times New Roman 13. And check that each and every figure must be a single image file. It must be center aligned and should have a figure number and figure name also center aligned. 4.6, Times New Roman, uppercase, bold, font size is 13. Figure number 6, chapter number 4. So it is FIG 4.6 LCD monitor. 4.7. We are coming across 8th figure, 4th chapter. FIG 4.8 film thickness. See the figure is center aligned. Figure number and name is also center aligned. If you are using a figure, it must be having, it should have a figure number and a figure name all the time. Chapter 5, software details of the project. This chapter should have an algorithm. Should have an algorithm of the project or flowchart of the project. But in this report, algorithm is given, so it must be illustrated in steps with respect to the project. 5.4 coding used in the project. While writing the code, don't leave any extra spaces between the coding. Chapter 6 results and implementation. Again, this is font size 16, Times New Roman, bold, uppercase. First figure, FIG 6.1, smart mirror as a mirror. You can see the figure is always center aligned with the figure number and figure name also center aligned. Figure number 2. Coming to chapter 7, it must have two components. One is conclusion, another one is future work. References again, Times New Roman 16, uppercase bold, and regular font, regular size is 13, Times New Roman. At least you should have 5 to 6 references, 6 papers under the reference file. I am opening the front page content. See, the report front page content must have uppercase title of the project. Font size is 18, Times New Roman, bold. This one is 14. This is also 14, but this must be italic bold. And the names may be 14 or 16. Remaining all, this is 16. Remaining all other font sizes 14. In the bona fide certificate, you can see the bona fide certificate font size is 16, bold, uppercase. Regular text is font size is 14. Times New Roman is followed. While writing the name of the guide, write your name of the guide, and designation must be properly given for the name of the guide. If you have any doubt regarding the designation, go to our department website in the university website. There you can see the designation for a particular faculty. Acknowledgement. Font size is 16, Times New Roman, uppercase, bold. Regular text is font size 14. Here also you should write your guide name here very clearly and legibly. Abstract 16, but this one is 14. And see the table of content, everything is 14, but here you should give page number. Here you should give page number from the bona fide certificate onwards in Roman letter. Roman letter smaller case. Table of content. When you are starting a list of figure, it must be started from a fresh page. Name of the figure, figure number, and a page number is given here. And see the page number also here, 6. Then list of abbreviation, page number 7. In this report, there is no table at all. That is why list of table is not given here. If you have a table, it must be listed below the list of figure, between the list of figure and the list of abbreviation, and you should have a page number. Likewise, you have to prepare the report, go through the template file, go through the list of instructions given. You can go through this video and all. One more thing I want to tell is, from the beginning to end of the report, underlining should not be used anywhere. Colon should not be used anywhere. Hyphen should not be used anywhere. If you have a subdivision, the subdivision must be uppercase. Times New Roman bold, font size is 13. If there is any further subdivision to a subdivision, it may be Times New Roman, font size 13, lowercase, bold. So follow the list of instructions given and compare with the template file. Go through this video file also. Finally, you submit the report to the Google Classroom.